Hello guys, so welcome back to Lounge Learning. Welcome back to Sepedi Lessons channel. So this is day 13 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So today we're going to be looking at synonyms in Sepedi Lounge. So we're going to be looking at words that have the same meaning but are spelled differently. So meaning you can either use this word or that word. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first one we have play. So with the word play, you can either say raluka or you can say bapala. They are playing. Ba'a raluka. Ba'a bapala. Play. Raluka or bapala. So the next one we have walk. So in the word walk, you can say sepila or tsamaya. Sepela or tsamaya. They are walking. Ba'a sepela. Ba'a tsamaya. Walk. Sepela or tsamaya. So the next one we have greetings. So for example, hello. So you can say thobela or dumela. Or you can say re a lotha. Hello teacher. Dumela morutishi. Thobela morutishi. Re a lotha morutishi. There are various ways to greetings. The next one we have left hand. So you can say lele tadi or la nyele. My left hand. Letsogo laka lele tadi or letsogo laka la nyele. So the next one we have undress. So undress you can say hlobola or apula. Undress, apula or hlobola. Undress the shirt. Hlobola sikipa or apula sikipa. So the next one we have shoelaces. So shoelaces you can say marempisi or marala. Shoelaces you can say marempisi or marala. My shoelaces are dirty. Marala aka anali dichila. Or you can say marempisi aka anali dichila. Shoelaces, marempisi or marala. So the next one we have tomorrow. So tomorrow you can say osasa or kamoswani. Tomorrow you can say osasa or kamoswani. Tomorrow I am coming. Osasa ke atla or kamoswani ke etla. Tomorrow kamoswani ke atla or osasa ke etla. The next one we have will. So will you can say tlo or tla. I will do it. Kitla idira or kitlo idira. Will you can say tla or tlo. I will do it. Kitla idira or kitlo idira. So the next one we have today. So today you can say lehono or mamohla. Today you can say lehono or mamohla. Today I am going. Lehono ke a sepela. Lehono ke a sepela. Mamohla ke a sepela. Today lehono or mamohla. So the next one we have a house. So a house you can say ngwako or ntlo. A house you can say ngwako or ntlo. My house is beautiful. Ntlo yaka e botse or ngwako waka o botse. Ntlo yaka e botse or ngwako waka o botse. So the next one we have a girl. So a girl you can say ngwanenyana or mosetsana. Ngwanenyana or mosetsana. My girl is beautiful. Ngwanenyana waka o botsana. Or mosetsana waka o botsana. My girl is beautiful. Ngwanenyana waka o botsana or mosetsana waka o botsana. So the next one we have a car. So a car you can say koloi or sefatanaga. A car, koloi or sefatanaga. I have a red car. Ke na le sefatanaga se sehubedu. Or ke na le koloi e hubedu. I have a red car. Ke na le sefatanaga se sehubedu. Or ke na le koloi e hubedu. Town. So in town you can say toropo or teropo. Town you can say teropo or toropo. I'm going to town. Ke ya toropong. or ke ya teropong. So the next one we have blankets. So blankets you can say dikobo or mapai. Blankets you can say dikobo or mapai. Wash the blankets, hlatswa mapai or hlatswa dikobo. Wash the blankets, hlatswa mapai or hlatswa dikobo. So the next one we have a plate. So a plate you can say sebiana or sekotlelo. A plate you can say sebiana or sekotlelo. Dish me in that plate. Ntshulele ka sekotlelong seo. Or ntshulele ka sebianeng seo. Dish me in that plate. Ntshulele ka sebianeng seo. Our last one we have tree. So tree you can say sehlare or mohlare. Climb the tree. Namela mohlare or namela sehlare. So I think that's it for our day 13 of 21 day Sepedi challenge. So I hope you find this lesson helpful and don't forget to subscribe.